Today, one of the main areas of collecting in American exonumia is Civil War tokens. These small tokens from the mid-1800s were used as change in place of silver, gold, and copper coins that were federally issued, but often removed from circulation during the Civil War because of the metallic value. While now the tokens are primarily organized by patriotic type, so by themes and messages toward nationalism in the United States, or by merchants that existed, so trade tokens, there was a period when there really was little interest. One of the first catalogs that organized the Civil War tokens is Civil War Tokens and Tradesmen's Cards by George Hetrich and Julius Guttag. This really set the standard that is used now by George and Melvin Fuld and their successors in organizing by die types in the patriotic and by company and state and city for the trade tokens. This copy is from our rare book room. It's one of the limited edition. As you can see, it's numbered and signed. Also, you saw some blank pages. It has interleaved pages to help protect the ink, and more importantly, photographic plates. In the regular edition, the plates are printed. They're still there and they still have the information, but it's just regular printing on paper and it doesn't have the interleave. I'm showing this in part, it's as it was originally published with the leather cover, but the leather cover, it really wasn't designed to be permanent. So there are many that have had the cover replaced, rebound, or where the cover is not in as good of condition, showing more wear, more friction. Within the study of Civil War tokens, this was the successor to Edgar Adams' work, originally published in Coin and Metal Bulletin in 1916 and 1917. This was merely a list of the tokens, and it was on the trade tokens. He hadn't yet gotten to the patriotic tokens. His manuscript was used by Hetrich and Guttag as the basis for their catalog.